प्रभावशाली कॉर्पोरेट महिला नैना लाल किदवई या मुद्द्यांच्या माध्यमातून आपण हा पाठ समजावून घेणार आहोत. आयुष्यात आपल्याला नेमके काय करायचे आहे याची नैना यांना लहानपणापासूनच जाणीव होती. नैना यांचे वडील विमा कंपनीत अधिकारी होते. त्यांच्याकडनं जिंकण्याचे महत्त्व शिकल्या. चुकांमधून शिकण्याचे शहाणपण त्यांनी त्यांच्यापासून घेतले आणि यशापयशातील समानता आणि आर्थिक बुद्धिमत्ता या गोष्टी देखील त्यांच्याच वारशातून मिळाल्या आहेत असे त्या सांगतात. त्या अमेरिकेत हार्वर्ड बिझनेस स्कूलमध्ये शिकायला गेल्या. तो अनुभव कसा होता हे त्यांच्याच शब्दात जाणून घेऊया.
My first goal, for example, was I wanted to go abroad to get an MBA degree. I was very clear I wanted to do an MBA abroad. I'd been a reasonable student in school. I went on to do a chartered accountancy, and there was a lot of pressure from my parents to think about doing that MBA in India. Not just because it was cheaper, but going so far away. And, you know, when I went way back in 1980, so far away was you didn't have direct flights to the US. There was very little opportunity to speak on the phone. You didn't even have a phone line which worked for more than 3 minutes because an operator would come in and keep asking you, extend, and, you know, so you were like, felt that there was someone listening in, and the costs were, of course, humongous. So everything looked like it was far away. But, you know, Indian men had been going to Harvard Business School, so why couldn't I go there? And I had set my heart on this. So that resolve, I think, was there. It was something I'd have liked to do, not necessarily Harvard. I sort of didn't know where I would get in, so it had to be a highly listed US school. And the process of applying and doing all of those things which all of us have to do, and the anxiety and the issues therein were all part of it. But I am so glad that I didn't let that resolve get shaken, because, I mean, of course, family around me were like dreadful.
बँकिंग आणि फायनान्स या क्षेत्रामध्ये काम करताना कोणती कोणती जबाबदारीची कामं सांभाळावी लागतात हे त्या इथे सांगत आहेत.
It's a very creative end of finance. I'd certainly like to believe it is the most creative end in finance. And essentially what we do is we assist companies, in my case, typically middle to large companies, not so much the smaller companies, in understanding their finance needs. And then we don't just stop at being a consultant, we go out and execute on the advice we have given our clients, which is basically raise money for them. It could be in international markets, could be in domestic markets, could be by way of equity or debt, and also mergers and acquisitions. Should they sell off a division? Should they buy one? If so, at what price?
ग्रीनलेजमधील 13 वर्षाची नोकरी सोडून जेव्हा त्या मॉर्गन स्टेनलीमध्ये रुजू झाल्या तेव्हा त्या चर्चेत आल्या. कारण भारतामध्ये एवढं वेतन घेणाऱ्या त्या पहिल्याच महिला कर्मचारी होत्या. मॉर्गन स्टेनलीमध्ये रुजू होण्याचं एकमेव कारण असं होतं की विदेशी कर्मचाऱ्यांना एवढंच माझंही मानधन असावं असा प्रस्ताव त्यांनी त्यांच्या समोर ठेवला होता आणि मॉर्गन स्टेनलीनी त्याचा स्वीकार केला होता. एक प्रकारे तत्वाचा विजय झाला होता.
After working successfully in the investment banking division at Grinley's, Nina was asked to take on retail banking. Typically, she took up the challenge and made a success of it. Nina was much sought after for her expertise in investment banking. She moved on to join J.M. Morgan Stanley, the leading international investment bankers, as their country head. Nina's vast experience will be utilized by various organizations, media, and the government for her ideas, input, and advice, not only in investment banking, but the economy in general.
गुंतवणूक, विलीनीकरण, अधिग्रहण, संयुक्तीकरण या साऱ्या बाबतीत त्यांचे नाव मोठ्या आदराने घेतले जाते. नैना लाल यांनी महिला विकासाचा पाया कसा रचला ते आपण थोडक्यात पाहू. भारतातून विदेशी बँकांचे संचालन करणाऱ्या पहिल्या महिला आहेत. त्यांना पद्मश्री पुरस्काराने सन्मानित करण्यात आलेलं आहे. हार्वर्ड बिझनेस स्कूलमध्ये पाऊल ठेवणाऱ्या त्या पहिल्या भारतीय महिला, भारतातील सर्वाधिक वेतन घेणाऱ्या महिला कार्यकारी अधिकारी आणि HSBCच्या 150 वर्षांच्या इतिहासातील त्या पहिल्या भारतीय अधिकारी आहेत. नेस्लेच्या विश्वस्त मंडळात दाखल होणाऱ्याही त्या पहिल्याच भारतीय महिला आहेत. तेव्हा आपल्याला अभिमान वाटावा असे त्यांचे कार्यकर्तृत्व आहे. अनुकरणीय असे त्यांचे कार्यकर्तृत्व आहे. धन्यवाद.